analyst. Trainee analyst is not direct service desk analyst. It can be any profile. So sometimes it is a service desk. Sometimes it is related to service desk, means one part, separate part can be there. Okay. But service desk is important. So for anyone, service desk is a common. Okay. Service desk tools, all these are all common. Why this is showing one? This guy.
In this profile, Linux is also we have to learn. Like
No.
okay.
If you want to learn Linux, I will tell other resources. Okay.
It may help or like it may usable in project.
Possibility is there.
Okay.
Any knowledge, guys, anything, it is useful always.
So there are troubleshooting software is also there. Like
troubleshooting softwares, that is, I don't know. But you want to learn Linux, I will give you all. I think I didn't give in that resources till now. So then we'll tell. So this is skills for all. Okay, this is skills for all. One more is there, that is called netacad. Okay, so if you go to catalog, okay, so you will find networking basics, networking essentials, Internet of Things, cyber security, Python, Linux essentials is there. Linux, if you are very new to Linux, then Linux, I think it is not given. It is given only Python. Okay, not here, but these are the Python networking essentials, cyber security, introduction to cyber security, introduction to packet traces, those kind of stuff, data science, IoT, those kind of stuff in skill for all. One more is netacad. Both are from cisco.com only, Cisco Academy only. Himanshu, attendance is done. Okay, you are present. Okay, Himanshu Tirupati present. Why I am logging? So guys, this netacad.com, anyone can able to join. So you can take course from organizations. Okay. So recently I didn't complete this course on time, so it is got ended. But actually, you want to learn Linux, this is a courses, voice and IT. Actually, I can log out where it is. So you can see Linux unhatched. You are very new to the Linux and you want to go with a very quick Linux learning, very basic level. This is helpful. It is a free course. You go to learn more, then you can see free. The free should be there. Okay, cost is free. Then it is anyone can learn. It is a beginner's level, 8 hours course. 8 hours course daily. You take 1 hour, so it will be finished in 1 or 2 weeks. And end of this session, then there is a test. You have to do all survey kind of stuff. Everything is check mark. You will get a sample certificate. Next one is networking essentials. Okay, networking essentials. What is this networking essentials? Sorry. Linux essentials. It is a little depth knowledge in the Linux. Like you want to learn better way, much in the Linux. You can see this is also a free course, 70 hours. It will take 2 months if you daily work for 1 hour. Okay, it depends upon you how fast you can able to learn. Okay, you don't require to install any Linux operating system in your PC. Okay, so they will provide a terminal to practice all Linux commands. Okay, so this is another one for learning Linux. Not only Linux, guys, it is they will give a lot of courses. So it is online self-paced. So introduction to packet traces, cyber security, IoT, JavaScript essentials, and this is Linux unhatched. CCNA things you cannot go. So this is also intermediate, right? So it is a paid version. Some are free, some are paid. This is a programming essential in C++, cyber security essentials, Linux essential, Python. Okay, like this. These courses are available, but you have to go through the course. For example, I will go to say cyber security, cloud security, designated by institution. So from institutions only you can able to learn. Okay. Before you go to that one, so you have to go to these two courses. These two are free. Okay. You have to find an academy. So like that, so it depends upon a person to what is best. Okay. So these two things are there. One is a netacad, another one is skillsforall. So you can go to the guideline which one course is interested. So even now you have a time, then you can learn. This is a very good one. Codepen.io for coding people. That is HTML kind of stuff. Very good. I didn't try. Yeah, cloudxlab. From here you can learn lot of courses, guys. Lot of courses, including IIT related courses also there. That is a paid courses. For course and lab you have to pay. These courses are free courses. So you have to pay for a thing. For example, you want to learn DevOps. Okay. So normally DevOps course cost is around 18,000 to 35,000, like that it is there. It is a full-fledged DevOps course only. So, but if you see, with the lab is also there. Okay, you don't need to install any lab in your PC, not required. So they will guide you. You can do your labs in their cloud. Okay, they will provide a lab environment, so you can practice there. Okay, if you want, you can finish. If you think if you can able to finish in 30 days, so course is free. Anytime you can able to access. If you want to complete in 30 days, so this is the cost. So they change this pattern now. Or you can learn lot of courses by paying this amount per month, 999 per month. Okay, but there is one more is there. I said no, these are all courses are there. It's like you want to learn DevOps, then data science related or machine learning related, Python. You want to learn Linux, SQL, like that. Different courses are available. Okay. This is lab subscriptions. Premium lab, 6 months lab. Per month 2000. For example, you taken for 6 months, then it is a 999. You want to take lab for 12 months, it is a almost 599. So it is valid for 12 months. Means each month 599. So into 12 you have to do it. Okay, it is around 3600 minus 12 something you have to do it. Okay, so a lot of courses you can learn freely. So you select free. There is a 101 courses are there. So 104 courses are there. So DevOps, data science, big data, okay, all machine learning, Python, SQL, no SQL, okay, Hadoop related, Linux, Java, these are all you can learn freely. Course is free, but want to practice, for practice, you need a lab, so there are providing lab, okay. If you refer your friend, so then you will get a 30 days lab extra. And friend will get 30, you will get 30. Okay, if you take my reference code, you will get 30, I will get 30 days lab. Okay. In which ways I am keep telling. So one more is there, that is a learn.microsoft.com. Learn.microsoft.com, cloudxlab. Cloudxlab, you have to buy labs, but learn.microsoft.com, you can learn Microsoft related technologies, including Azure Cloud. You can learn. If you go to this training, then see, you can see learning paths are there, modular courses also there. Cloud, C Sharp, like different courses are available. Getting started Python in a Visual Studio Code. Okay, different course paths are there. So these are the popular learning paths. So these are many courses also there. So these are based on .NET, Azure, Bing, Consumer, Dynamic 365, Git, Insurance, Office 365, Endpoint Manager, okay, Power BI, Office 365, SQL Server, Visual Studio Code, Windows related. Okay. So like that, so you have to choose what course you want it, then based on that you can write Introduction to ADDS, Active Directory related. Okay. These are all free courses, guys. Which one is you required, which one you want to upgrade as you have a free time or any time. Okay, good. But problem is whatever I told, either it is skillsforall or netacad, learn.microsoft.com. Oracle also providing free cloud courses, and AWS also providing. But Microsoft we easy to access. So these three courses mainly what I told Microsoft, skillsforall or netacad. So these are a reading type, not a video material. Videos are there, that is very light, but mainly you have to read. Once you are completed module, you have to write a small test. You will get a certificate also. You can get a certificate. Like you can read it from other things like a Java T point, tutorial point, W3 schools. So you are reading, you are practicing. You need your own lab for that one. But skill, this is don't require any separate lab. They will give a console. You can practice there. Including Azure account is also not required to learn Azure. You don't require Azure account. They will provide an environment, so you have to practice. Okay. So these are the things. Okay. This is required, like they will provide a material, we need a lab. But this is provide a material and they will provide a lab, the both are free. Okay. All resources are good, but this is so with certificate. This is we are getting certificate also. Okay. Video materials are good. Udemy, like that, you can go to video courses. That is also good. Like for starters, people who cannot read, video material is good. But if you read, you will read 2-3 times automatically, because once you read, you will forget, you will read it again. So definitely there is a test. So obviously you will go repetition. So you will remember things. Okay. That's the difference. Okay guys, up to any other information you require? Any course related? Guru 99 is also a good website, but you won't get any certificate. Guru 99, Java T Point, w3schools.com, tutorials point. So they will provide a material, so then you can practice. You can read it, you can practice it. Udemy, now still I think there is an offer is going on. While offer is going on, so you cannot access the free courses. Through mobile only you can get a free courses. So the free button not available in this one. So Udemy is also good, but you should know which course and who is providing, who is the person is giving that course, what is the content, like that you can take it. You can choose DevOps, no problem. We can choose DevOps because DevOps means it is not one software, right? DevOps contains multiple things, like first is Git. Okay, Git is there. So next one is Jenkins. Git tool is there. Jenkins is there. GitHub is there. GitHub, Jenkins, Maven. So Maven is a testing. Selenium testing will cover, Maven testing will cover, Maven build, Ant build, it will cover, Ansible, Puppet, Chef, deployment tools, okay, monitoring tools also covering there, and also project related agile tools like Jira tools. Jira is one of the agile, right? Scrum masters, okay, Jira tool will cover there, okay, Zoho, like this. So if you take that course, take full-fledged, as I said, no, it is free, availability is also there, labs also available. Okay, so you can take it. So each individual module, learn every module. Docker is there. Okay, because this course is again plus AWS or plus Azure. Either you can take DevOps plus AWS, DevOps plus Azure. Like that, if you take Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, from Oracle you can learn freely. OCI certification, you can do it from Oracle. Okay, Oracle OCI is there. So this is useful because cloud and DevOps are combined. So you learn cloud also, you will do cloud things. What are the things we do in the cloud? Also, it is related to DevOps, software development related. Okay. You learn DevOps, so we will implement it in cloud. So both are there. We can understand a lot of terminologies. Okay. Learning is weapon, guys. So you keep learning, you will improve knowledge. It is always useful. No. A very good question. That is, a lot of people think DevOps is a IT related. So IT means software. No, guys. DevOps is IT related, but it is related to software development. But DevOps people don't do any coding. Okay. No need to do coding. If you are no coding, if you are doing development, software development, coding related guy or testing related guy, DevOps is useful. If you choose DevOps, if you don't know coding or testing, still no problem because DevOps is actually administration. Tool integrations. Yeah. So there is, that is DevOps, development, Ops. Dev means development, Ops means operations. Operations means it is related to deployments, monitoring, finding out any issue is there, then we'll do it. So continuous development, continuous testing, continuous integration. So it is started from continuous integration, continuous deployment, continuous monitoring. These three things administrator will do. Continuous development, continuous testing is done by developers and testers. Full stack developer means compulsory DevOps. Zero is a tool which it works from start to end. Okay. These are one of the tool. You know, for example, there is a testing fail. Continuous testing is failed. So through Jira system means from your Jenkins system, integration system will tell Jira will tell to developer there is an issue in this kind of stuff. But stage by stage investigation will happens with Jenkins. It will be informed to admins, means the developer or a tester through Jira system. Okay, to follow up, like Jira is a kind of process related from starting to ending, ending to starting, continuous type. Okay, that is also good to learn. So always choose, guys. If first either you choose cloud or DevOps. And if you start anything, first complete one, then learn another one. Or while you're doing 50-60% of one course, then you can start the second one. Don't start similarly because I don't know how much your depends upon person capabilities. Okay. Better is always you start cloud, complete 50-60%, then meanwhile start DevOps. Or you started DevOps, you completed 50-60% in the DevOps, then start cloud. So while your DevOps is completed, cloud is in middle, so you can combine both the things. Okay, AWS DevOps course is there, AWS is there. So if you learn like that, you learn from scratch. So it is useful for any as a fresher. If you learn only particular module part, then it is waste. Means not waste. It is for experienced people. Only one particular module part. Learn from scratch. You want to learn DevOps? Earlier one course is there in Udemy. That time it is free. Now it is not free. Yeah, this is the guy. So earlier I have taken this course. I have taken DevOps course also, but that is good theory. Practicals are there, but this is faster learner. Means already you know basics. You know basics already. Git and Jenkins. You know basics little bit. So then you can go through this one. Okay. This is Karthik KK. His course is available in YouTube also. Okay, so if you don't know how to code, if you don't know how to code, okay, for working with Jenkins, okay, like a testing, coding, and all you don't know, so no problem. This guy will give this execute automation GitHub link, so you can practice using this link only. Okay, this is a good one. Of course, I can share my videos also there. Okay, I can share my videos also there. So this is guy very good. So I prefer this one only. So my DevOps related is here. I want to implement DevOps once more. Okay, in future. Already have taken classes for DevOps, not recent one. Go to old playlist, not batch 17, 16. So maybe in 16 it is there, or old one. Good morning. You can go through like this. Batch 2 is good because lot of videos, no, definitely DevOps videos also there. Basic explanation, starting. Okay, so you can go to that playlist and find out where is DevOps. Otherwise, you can go to reverse order videos recently uploaded, popular, and also you can take a reverse order. Means last videos first. If you take like that, there also you can find some videos. Okay. Azure Cloud Learning, so directly you can learn from learn.microsoft.com. Okay. You already know what is DevOps, already have taken some videos. So he's giving very good practical course. Practical. Okay. And YouTube, you can get lot of videos, including my videos are there, and as well as Edureka videos also good, a good explanation. Other skills for all, simply learn. Simply learn. So there is a free online courses. This is a skill up. Free courses you can learn with one ID. Okay. You can learn 3 courses freely. You can choose which course you want it and choose that training. So while you are choosing, be careful. Why? Because if you've taken a modular, it is a modular only. You've taken a full course, it is a full course. Okay. So IT services infrastructure, AI, machine learning, software development. Guys, better if you want to go with the DevOps or not a DevOps. My personal suggestion is go for Python. Okay, compulsory learn Python. You want to search in mind, also you can search for Python. That is also good. Python is important. Python, if you learn at least first part of Python, like skills for all giving Python, right? So if you are new to the Python, then definitely skills for all helpful, or otherwise you can practice different ways also. Okay, Python is very useful whether you are going to software or not software. Python is a common for anyone. Okay, so like a common language. English is a common language. Now Python is a common language. Programming language for anyone. Python is a common language. Okay, any doubts? Okay, I'm just stop recording.